Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Inner Beauty with S. I'm super excited because I get inspiration from everywhere and I cannot wait for Sunday to come to share it with you. Our today's topic is elevate your energy by replacing needs with the desires. I encourage you to do this every day and you will hear now why. All my work is related to an energy, and what I believe is that our thoughts and the words carry a certain energy which determine are we vibrating on a low vibrational level or a high vibrational level. Have you ever thought, how do you feel? And where is the emotion coming from when you say, I need? And how do you feel? And where is the emotion coming from when you say, I desire? Word need carry a low emotions such as fear and worry, insecurity. And what I believe, when you fulfill your need, that brings you an instant satisfaction. And that's like having a meal. You're hungry, you eat, you fulfill your need, and that's an instant satisfaction until the next time you're hungry and you fulfill that need again. And then boom! Desire, on the other side, carry high emotions, love, happiness, joy. And when you fulfill your desire, that brings you joy and happiness and fulfillment. Now that you know this difference, you can feel joyful and happy every day by just replacing need with a desire in your vocabulary. For example, you have a project to finish. Instead of saying, I need to finish the project by the end of the month, you say, I have a desire to finish the project by the end of the month. It's a totally different energy and a totally different feeling. And that energy will actually drive you to do things in order to finish that project. I believe that many of you knows or read about Maslow pyramid of the human needs. So we have a basic needs, we have a psychological and the self-fulfillment needs. And the self-fulfillment is the highest one, it's self-actualization. So I encourage you, in order to achieve that very last need, open up your heart, make a desires and wishes, and keep that heart open so that you can receive wherever you desire for. And do that absolutely every day for even small things, not only for the big projects and the big goals that you have, but for that small little one that you're doing every day. And you know what is the most exciting part? Yesterday, I randomly opened my daily teachings from Secret, which I read every day, and just like that, I got my confirmation for our topic today from a very simple but very powerful quote. Desire everything, need nothing. So my beautiful people, I encourage you to go and practice this very simple and powerful exercise and consciously replace word need with the desire in your vocabulary on a daily basis. And let me know in the comments, how did you feel? How was your energy level that day when you practiced this? And practice it every day so it becomes unconscious. So you're doing it unconsciously and you actually unconsciously elevate your energy all the time. I'm looking forward for your feedback. And if you haven't, subscribe on Inner Beauty YouTube channel. Do so, because I have so much inspiration and so many more powerful topics are on the way for you, my beautiful people. I love you and I see you next Sunday.